So, you're back after charging your mic?
Yep.
Anyways, never mind that. Go, go, go.
Alright, so I kind of forgot where did we left off.
Yes.
Alright, so we can control the ball now.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
as I said, just change the... Try to move the camera downwards now.
Okay,
No,
so
no, not in the code. Just rotate it downwards.
like this.
Rotate. No. Next to the... Oh god, right under edit, there's 5 buttons.
Right under edit.
Use the middle one. Edit. You were literally right there.
Yeah.
File edit.
Oh. Alright.
The middle button under edit. No, not in edit, under edit. That's it. Now click on the camera. There you go. Now you can rotate it downwards. Nope, don't rotate it weirdly sideways. Stop.
Like this.
I can't tell. No, no, no. Well, actually, well, let's see then. Play the game.
Alright.
Now this is definitely rotated weirdly sideways. What have you done?
Alright. Well.
Undo. There you go. Now look at it from the different angle, and then rotate the red bar.
Different angle.
There you go. That's it.
Alright.
Yes. So if you play now, what do you notice?
Alright, it's a bit easier now.
Yeah. So rotating the camera made it also still point towards the
Player.
the player, because the
Player's
the
in
for-
focus now.
yes, because the player the camera forward vector is changed by its rotation. So that's what that does.
Oh.
Right. So
Cool.
now figure out by yourself how to add the other axis, the other buttons.
Well, this should be the same.
Capital. Get.
Oh, yeah. Oh, one second, just gonna Google the word.
It's vertical.
But how to
It's fairly simple.
yeah, there we go.
Like vector almost. Yes, that's
and make
it.
it into a string.
And capital.
Always capitalize it.
Now what? Now where's the arrow? Go play.
1 second, need to save it. And go play. Right. Yeah, I can jump.
That's right.
There's no fist. There's no gravity though.
There's a little gravity, isn't there?
Oh yeah, very
Yeah.
little.
Yes. I told you why, didn't I?
Because we did override it with our vector.
That's right. Oh my, what porn have you been browsing?
That's pretty PG.
Anyways.
This is actually from the
Anyways.
last time. Yeah.
So now we're going to learn how to, oh boy, your silly background. And now we're gonna learn how to make it not overwrite the axis.
Alright.
Alright, so now you're going to copy that where it says velocity.
Just the entire? Or just the velocity part?
It's from player to velocity.
Alright.
No. No. From that player, yeah. That's right. Now, well, press enter after it actually, but copy it too.
Alright, I have copied it.
Yes, then you...
Well-
What do you want to call your vector?
Oh, do we need to give it a name?
Yes.
So, how do we give it a name?
Equal.
Oh, but isn't...
Yes, don't worry about that second line for
Right.
now.
Vector equals... Does it have to be a specific name? I can call it whatever.
Whatever.
Right, VR2.
Yes, that's right. Now, how do you declare a vector? You've learned this already, basically. No, not here. Also, you switch it around.
No, but oh, I was thinking about chaos. guess when you do mathematical things, you declare things by doing colon.
Yes, well, no, that's JavaScript.
Oh, I didn't know Cas was Java. Nice. Right.
Well, the way with the double dots, that's Java anyways. You want to move that vector before the other one. The vector equals the velocity.
Oh, yeah.
No,
Well,
no, please no.
but
Just
if
the
the-
start. At the start of the line.
at the start of the line.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, your vector name equals. Yes, now look how you declared the player and then declare the vector in the same way.
When I declare the player, I said
Yes, you declare the.
player equals game dot.
No, that's not declaring it. That's setting it.
Alright, well, declaring it, do I do that with a... No.
Nope.
Alright.
Where you say game object player, that's where you declare the variable player to be a game object. You see it? Oh boy. The
Game
first
object
one.
player. Yeah.
Before start, man.
Game object player.
That's right.
Can it instead...
No.
Okay.
Right where you have player, you're gonna declare a new array. A new vector.
Equals player. And then...
Go up there where you have player.
Oh, up here.
That's it.
Alright.
Now declare a vector.
Equals, right?
No, you're going to leave the player alone. You're gonna make a new line.
Oh, oops. Okay, so BR2...
Yes.
It's not an equal, is it?
Nope, it's a declaration.
Hmm. Game object?
No, it's not a game object, it's a vector.
But how do you declare something?
The same way you've declared the player as a game object. Now declare this vector as a vector.
Find object with tag. Player equals find object. So velocity equals...
Nope, no equals in this case.
Okay.
Just a
Velocity.
declaration.
And it's not a game object. I really don't understand.
It's vector 3 is just vector 3 and then the name of it.
Really? Just vector
Yep.
3.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's a declaration. No
Oh.
space between the vector and the 3. Semicolon. Right, that's declared now.
Oh, so you start with what you want to say equals something else, right?
No, that's setting it up. That's declaring it. So that vector is now declared. Now you can use that vector to save the velocity of the rigid body. So do that then.
Okay, so I can use this vector to declare the velocity of the rigid body. So I have to find the rigid body and say equals VR2, right?
Yes, you already have that almost, except for that you spelled VR2 wrong. No,
Oh yeah, sorry.
you already have it in fact. Yes, there you go.
Alright, so now this is equals to our vector 3, right?
Yes, now you're going to add the axis information to the vector. How do you add something to a vector?
We just did it and took me freaking ages.
Yes.
Transform dot forward, right?
No.
Damn it.
You already have the vector and the vector that you want to add to it. The transfer dot forward is a vector, the vector that you've added to it in fact. Or
Right, so
removed from it, so
can I just say plus something?
yes, but in this case we're going to say something else. In this case you go to the front of the line and you say plus equals.
In the front of the line. Here.
That's right.
Plus equals. Yeah?
Yes, and then vector 2 there.
Instead
No,
of
before it, of course. Alright, so now you've added this new vector that you've made to the old vector. Now all you need to do is set up the velocity to have this new vector's value.
But it says right here this. Oh, then velocity equals VR2? No, the velocity equals.
That's right, actually.
Oh, really?
No, not here. In a new line after everything.
After everything, alright.
Yes, you want to copy the thing where it says velocity.
I'm just making a tab for your sake. Here.
Yes. Well, there's no tab there, but yes.
There should be a tab here.
Yes, well, you're gonna need that whole player component rigid body as well, obviously. That's right.
And at here afterwards, I assume.
Yes.
VR2.
Yes, you're getting it. Alright, now go.
Alright, I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna see what happens now. Compiler error, you have to fix it.
You've misspelled player, apparently.
Where is mistake?
You're gonna have to make the console larger so we can actually tell what it is buttered by. Nope. Drag it up, there you go. Not all the way though. Player does not exist twice. I don't know why, but okay. Double click. No, never mind. Don't double click.
17.7 and 17.5. So it's right here, and it's here.
Yes, I'm confused by this. In fact.
Might it be because I used the capital P?
Yes, that is clearly the problem, actually. Okay, good. You're doing it now. Let's see.
Well,
that's right. Now it's added every single frame.
Okay. Can we get a bigger
yeah, you
plane?
can make this as big as you want.
By just dragging it?
No, just the tool number 4 under edit.
Okay, edit. Then this one?
4, not 2. That's it. The middle one. You want to drag the middle. Yeah, that's fine too.
Okay, I'm gonna try it out. See if I can get it to go around in circles now. Okay, still a bit difficult.
Yes, you should also change the coordinates so that it doesn't go up and down but forwards and backwards.
That's probably a good idea.
Yes, I'm sure you can figure that out easily.
Instead of vertically and horizontal, isn't it just
no.
back? Well, no, right.
You have to move to 0.
Yeah, we have our X and we have our Y axis right now.
Yes.
Now we need to get our last axis, which has...
Nope, you actually have to make sure that... Well, you just want to move two different... you just want to move another axis. No, you don't have that many buttons.
Right. So just remove the 0?
Yeah, you just want to put the 0 in the middle, and then it won't go up and down, but it will go forwards and backwards.
Put the 0 in the middle?
That's right, because the middle axis is for up and down. The middle coordinate.
If I knew that, this would be a lot easier.
It would be.
Yeah, well, I would understand it then.
Well, here you go now. For zoom.
1 second.
Now, how do you make it move less quickly?
I turned down my velocity.
Maybe. Do it.
1 second, I'm gonna see how quickly it actually is.
Very quickly. It's also very unclear because everything is so big.
Yeah.
You might want to put some balls in there so you can play around with them.
Playing with balls.
That's right.
Yeah, you and I. Right, so this is what we have now. So you had to turn down my velocity.
Yes. Well,
right,
not necessarily that way, but possibly, I guess.
It's just so I could, equate into using the control find.
Yes.
I saw you coding earlier, I used it all the fucking time.
I sure did.
You also had a bit more lines of coding.
Yes, that's why I needed it, because I had 7,000 lines of coding on that one project I did.
Exactly.
Anyways.
Oh, sorry.
Well, there's multiple ways of doing this, I suppose.
Let me see. Right,
So
so
the update function runs
my
every
velocity
frame.
is here. If I change my vector 3,
Yes.
the speed should change as well, right?
Yes.
But my velocity 3 is defined as being the up and down axis.
No, it's not. It is added by it. I,
Oh yeah.
the axis is added to it.
So can I declare a vector here?
Yes, but you shouldn't have to.
Hmm. I want to change the vector 3. I can change. I can say vector 3 equals something.
No, you can just use it right there.
What do you mean?
Well, you can have that vector right there and use it right there. What do you want to do with it?
Well, I want to turn down my velocity, so I want a smaller vector, I suppose.
Well, you can multiply it with a small decimal.
Alright, so I can say times.
No, you're gonna have to do that after the insides of that parenthesis. No, no, that the vector. You can't just write something in the middle of that statement of vector.
So out here, I suppose.
Yes. No. Wait. Yeah, no, well, I suppose that works, but now you're only changing the one axis. You'd want to multiply the whole vector, and then it'll change all the both of the axes.
So like this.
Because that'll make it less.
I'm gonna give it a try.
That's one way of doing that. Unfortunately, you can't tell anything because everything's so big. You really should put some balls on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some things so I can see if I'm going faster. Alright, component, game object, 3D objects. Ragdoll?
Let's not worry about that right now.
2D object then. Nope. 3D object. Cube?
Sphere, cube, whatever.
Gonna put a cube here.
That's right.
And I'm gonna put a cylinder.
You can just duplicate that a few times as well. That by Control D. Then you have two cylinders there, but you'd have to drag them out of each other, obviously, because they'd be within each other.
Well, just want to move right now. I'm not allowed to do that. That's the other one. Alright. We're gonna see if I actually can find them.
Hey, you should. Okay, never mind. They're somewhere.
My turning speed is also. Wait, is it inverted?
No idea. I don't have no idea what you're doing. Probably not though. Well, actually, it's all based on a random axis, anyways.
I might need to turn the camera, to be honest.
Yes. Well, we haven't made controls for that yet.
Well, camera is here. Yeah, it's pointed this way. So my right isn't directly.
Well, the camera gets moved anyways, so just put the balls in front of it, I guess, or the other things.
But shouldn't I be able to see them in the
Yes. Well, I guess they must be behind you or something.
No, I think I'm going around in circles, to be honest.
No, the camera doesn't have a rotating function.
Alright, well that kind of excludes that then.
Yeah, you'd really think you'd be able to see that. Weird.
I'm gonna add a shit ton.
Well, let's see if... No, you already established you can't see on that side. Put it there, yeah. Nope, that one's under the ground now.
How can you see when it's above or under the ground?
Well, you Unity, so you don't know that the dragging function is completely worthless. So you'll have to delete that now, because you've dragged it and now it's somewhere completely gone because apparently dragging is overrated. There you go. All you can do is use the actual. Yes, don't drag it. Use the actual axis to drag them. That's it.
Alright.
Okay, let's see if we can spot that one then. Yes, that's odd.
I'm gonna put like things around so we have an idea what we're looking at.
Maybe the ball is actually in the air or something. No, no.
I don't want to
Wait.
put a plane. Capsule
Where?
maybe?
Uh,
Oh god, I did it again.
yep.
Right, so
It's very odd that these aren't showing up. Zoom in on the ball. Oh, there's someone.
alright, so we're looking this way.
Also, I guess you don't move very fast now.
Now I
Interesting.
think I'm moving very, very slowly. Um
Just don't show that background.
oh, sorry. I
Penis background.
I should probably change that.
Possibly.
Right,
Oh,
now
you can actually move. Okay, so that one's floating then. Interesting. Oh, you are fast still. Wait, did you make it super fast now?
yeah, I just put up the speed so I
Yes, maybe
could move around.
3.
3. Alright. So, should we go around exploring a bit?
So yes, explore this vibrant world that you've created.
I go backwards and that's the other thingy. Is there any collision of any? Yeah.
Yes. The physics and the
Woo!
miracles of. I don't know why the camera is so weird. Maybe make it bigger, the game.
Make the game bigger.
Also, you can click on maximize on play, that'll help too.
Play.
Game.
Game objects.
No. Right under the play button, there's a game. A game.
Oh,
Yeah, there
yeah.
it is. Click on maximize on play, I guess.
Oh, there.
Yes, that's right. Let's see it. Yes, now we see better, but it's still weird with the perspective in a way.
If I go this way, I'm not gonna find the other one.
Indeed. Well,
Right.
one of them's under the ground. That's one thing that might be good to know.
Yeah, but anyways, we have an idea now. So, what do we do now? And I really want to change the angle that we're looking at, because holy shit, this is annoying.
Oh yeah, you wanna use the mouse?
How exactly? I rotated earlier my angle.
Yes.
Oh, this. That was how. All right.
Oh yeah. Right click, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. So
That actually could be why we never saw those things when we were out checking.
yeah, look how high they are.
Right.
I was about to suggest looking up, but then I didn't want to confuse you in case you'd actually try to move the actual camera up.
I would
Oh.
never.
Uh,
Oh god.
oh well, so that's that. So we've played some more, and subscribe for more of the decoding of Lassie.
I'm amazing at it, by the way.
Oh yes, let's see how long it takes him to make anything interesting. Oh